What up, y'all? This is Poor Man's Drinks. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're going to be talking about tequila. This is volume 1 of tequila. Let's get right into it. To be honest with you though, I filmed this whole intro. The whole thing, I was talking a long time about tequila. I was talking about all the different types of tequila for 20 minutes. I checked the footage and my microphone wasn't plugged in all the way. It's like a little aux cord and it wasn't plugged in all the way. So very frustrating, but let's get right back into it though. Okay, so here is tequila. Tequila, there are 3 different types of tequila. The most well-known is probably gonna be the Blanco tequila. That's tequila that has never been aged. It has never touched American oak. And that's the tequila that you're always gonna see mixed in with margaritas for the most part, you know, I'm generalizing. Then you have your reposado. Reposado is in between Blanco and Añejo. So it goes Blanco, Reposado, Añejo. And Reposado has been aged for about 2 months in American oak wood. At least this Cazadores tequila has been. Añejo has been aged for at least 12 months in American oak wood. That's the difference between all the 3 different types of tequila. And tequila is coming from Tequila, Mexico. If it doesn't come from Tequila, Mexico, you legally cannot call it tequila. That's all I have to say really. Let's get right into the video. Alright y'all, so the first one that we have coming up is called the Piña. The Piña is going to consist of 1.5 ounces of the tequila. You know, it doesn't matter. I think that most of these are probably going to call for like the Blanco Reposado. Like I said in the beginning, I wouldn't use an Añejo, but you can use an Añejo. That's just up to you, whatever you want to do. And then 3 ounces of pineapple, which is the Piña. This is what's going to come into it. 1 ounce of lime juice, fresh squeezed. And it says in the book that I like to reference, it says a teaspoon of honey or a teaspoon of sugar. I like to translate that into 1/4 of an ounce of honey syrup. Let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna add my 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Very important. 3 ounces Piña or pineapple juice. Man, I can tell this is gonna be a good one. 1/4 of an ounce honey syrup. Let's open up this baby. I'm so excited. I've never tried this. Heard a lot of good things online. You know, I looked up, hey, what's a good inexpensive tequila on Google? The Cazadores came up. Cazadores brand. Heard a lot of good things about it. I mean, I really did see a lot of good stuff about it. I'm very excited to try it, so let's do this. Yes, that is it. That's the sound that I want to hear. Smell the cord. Oh, that's tequila. That is definitely tequila. It's no Jose Cuervo, but it's some tequila right here. All right, so it said 1.5 ounces. Gorgeous. It smells so fragrant. It's so agave-like. Very beautiful. Completely gorgeous smell. Every single time that I shake, I really want to well incorporate everything into it. So I'm shaking for at least 15 seconds. It smells like Piña. It smells great. Let's go for it. Oh, I spilled some of it. Spilled a lot of it. Oh well, that's what happens, huh? No problem. Let's give it a quick taste. The Piña. Definitely the pineapple is coming through, obviously, on the nose. Man. That is such a well-balanced, beautiful drink. The tequila is perfect for this. Tequila and pineapple together is just an inseparable marriage. Very beautiful, gorgeous. The lime juice, the honey, the pineapple, the tequila. They're all in there. They're making babies. This is the best baby that you can have. I highly recommend, highly recommend. Wow, amazing. You could even do a salt rim. I think a salt rim would be beautiful on that. It's just great. All right, y'all, so I got a really easy one for y'all. The next one is called the Shady Lady, in homage to my mom. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry, Mom, I'm just kidding. Yeah, no, the Shady Lady is gonna have 1 ounce of tequila, 1 ounce of Midori, and I'm gonna fill it up with grapefruit juice, pure grapefruit juice. I wanted to serve this one in a martini glass or a cocktail glass, but the recipe says to fill it up. So I'm just gonna do it like how it says. You guys can do it however you want. You can stir it and then pour it into a martini glass, or you can just fill it up right in the glass because they're all liquids. You don't need to shake anything. Let's go for it, guys. It's super simple. Let's go. 1 ounce Midori. It's called the Shady Lady. I thought that was a cute name. God, that is a beautiful smell every single time. Every time I uncork that, guys, beautiful smell. Just a gorgeous, beautiful smell. And let's see how it looks. Top it. Pretty shady. Pretty shady indeed. That's it, guys. That's the Shady Lady. What I would recommend doing, I don't know how you would put this in a martini glass. Maybe 4 ounces of your grapefruit juice right here. Give it a quick stir. To be honest, yeah, a Shady Lady would definitely order this. It's not for me. I love grapefruit, I love Midori, I love tequila. Something about the ratio, actually, that might be a really great drink. I think it's pretty good. Actually, the more I'm tasting it, the more it's coming to life in my mouth. I'm getting along with it better. I don't know if I could finish a whole thing, but the taste is actually amazing with the grapefruit. Give it a shot. Give it a shot at home. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let's move on. All right, y'all, you already see it. You already know it. It's halfway through the video. I cannot finish this video on volume 1 of tequila without mentioning the Tequila Sunrise. The Tequila Sunrise is your girlfriend's favorite drink. It's your boyfriend's favorite drink. It's your mom's favorite drink. It's your dad's favorite drink. It's everyone's favorite drink. You gotta have the Tequila Sunrise. If you like sweet, if you like orange juice, come on. If you like tequila, the Tequila Sunrise is the one to go to. Let's get right into it. It's actually very, very easy. Here's what we're gonna do. 2 ounces of tequila. Then, you're gonna fill it up with OJ. And then you're gonna do 1/2 ounce of your grenadine. That is it, guys. That's it. They say that you should use a bar spoon or any spoon, a quick stir. Give it a quick stir. Literally just a quick one. Let 1/2 ounce run down the bar spoon, and then it'll create a great sunrise effect. I've never done this before, so bear with me, please. Beautiful. It's a sunrise. It's that simple. Let's see how it tastes. It's beautiful. Guys, this is Tequila Sunrise. Everyone's favorite drink. Go for it. Let me know how it is in the comment section. All right, y'all, so I just did the Tequila Sunrise. Let's get right into the Desert Sunrise. I think that's gonna be a cool one. It's gonna look cool. I haven't tried it yet, but let's get right into it. All right, so I'm gonna do 2 ounces of my tequila. And then it calls for a dash of sour mix. Not really sure how it's gonna play out, but this is all the lime juice that I have left, and it looks about like a ½ ounce. So let's do a little dash of that. Call that a little dash and a dash. Ooh, you have to make sure to spill it. That's authentic. So that was lime juice and lemon juice, and I combined that together to make sour mix, okay? And then I'm gonna fill it up with OJ. So it's basically a Tequila Sunrise without the grenadine. Then I'm gonna give it a little stir, guys. Boom, that's it. That's the smallest little stir I can give it, okay? And then ½ of an ounce blue curacao. I think if you have a spoon, it might look a little bit better. Let's see how it does it. I'm spilling it all over. Okay, so it sinks to the bottom. Perfect. Okay, then you should have done it like the Tequila Sunrise. You should let it run down the spoon. I just learned that for the very first time. But hey, it's still pretty cool looking. Let's see how it tastes. Very delicious. Very delicious, guys. You tell your buddy, hey, oh my God, yeah, dude, you know about the Tequila Sunrise, right? But have you had a Desert Sunrise? It's awesome, man. And then you make one for him. He's like, wow, that is really good, man. Wow. And yeah, I highly recommend this one too. It's really good. It's beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment. All right, y'all, so this one's called the Red Needle. And the Red Needle consists of 2 ounces of tequila. And you're gonna fill it 1 inch from the top, about 1 finger's worth from the top with ginger ale. Now, I don't have any more ginger ale. And I don't really use ginger ale. So I'm gonna use my ginger syrup, homemade ginger syrup, and I'm gonna top it with a seltzer, give it a little shake. And then on the top, where you left that little room, and you're gonna top it off with your cranberry, and it's called the Red Needle. So yeah, the only reason that I'm shaking it is because I don't have any ginger ale. 2 ounces tequila. And if you look in the description, guys, check out the description. All the recipes are in the description. And also the conversion from ounces, liquid ounces, to milliliters are also there too. So give it a shout. Check it out. Let me know what you think. About a 1/4 ounce of syrup, 1/4 ounce to ½ ounce of ginger. Just depending on how much I like the sweetness. And shake for 10 to 15 seconds. You just want to get it really nice and well incorporated into the entire mixture. A little trick that they taught me in bartending school is if you pour your liquid from your shaker tin at the same time as you pour your seltzer, it'll mix evenly. For the most part. Let's see. Save that little bit of room at the top, remember? Just a little bit of room. And that's it. Perfect. See? I'm just gonna shake it for good measure. You really don't even have to. You really don't even have to. And then your topping. That's gonna make it the Red Needle. Let's see. Cool. That's it, guys. The Red Needle. See how it goes. It looks beautiful. Oh, guys, that seltzer water, and then ginger syrup. That's always so good. If you run out of ginger ale, just do this ginger syrup and seltzer water trick. I'm telling you, you're really gonna be impressed with yourself. If you want it more sweet, you can make it more sweet. I only use 1/4 of an ounce. Do 3/4 of an ounce. It's beautiful. Gorgeous drink. Just gorgeous. That's it. That's it. Video's over. I'm just gonna do a quick outro. Y'all let me know what you think. Alright y'all, so that was my volume 1 of my tequila series. I'm gonna have many more of these in the future, trust me. If you want to support the channel, show your support by give me a like, give me a subscribe, hit the notification bell. Every Sunday I upload, guys. Every single Sunday. You'll have a new drink, 5 new drinks at the minimum. Even a bonus sometimes. Alright y'all, so this has been volume 1 of my tequila series. I'm very excited to get some more videos of tequila out there. I love tequila, it's a beautiful drink. It's so well rounded, you can do so many things with it. Look forward to my margarita videos. Hey, look, I got a lot more stuff coming out. I upload every single Sunday. If you want to support the channel, hey, give me a like, give me a subscribe, hit the notification bell. I upload every single Sunday. You'll get notified every time I upload. Hey, listen, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm here, I respond, I like your comments, I want to see, give me some criticism. Please let me know what y'all think. I'm here. And that is Poor Man's Drinks. And I'm out of here, guys. Y'all have a beautiful rest of your evening, morning, day, night, wherever you're watching this, prepping for a party, whatever you got to do. Enjoy the outro, enjoy the music. I'm out of here, guys. Have a blessed one, have a good one. And the wise words of American Dad, bye, have a beautiful time.